This segment is sponsored in part by Redken.
The summer takes a toll on our hair, I should know, but today we're going to show you how to make it shine, and that's because it's National Hair Gloss Day. Joining me now is celebrity hairstylist Rodney Cutler and one of our favorite beauty and lifestyle experts, Yesi De Avila. Welcome to both of you.
Hello. Thanks for having us.
Your timing is impeccable, Rodney, because these follicles are a disaster. But Yesi, talk to us about National Hair Gloss Day.
Shades EQ Gloss Service is an in-salon service for shiny, healthy-looking hair.
I love a healthy and shiny head. Rodney, you opened, I can't believe this, Cutler Salon in Soho over 20 years ago.
I can't believe we're still going strong. It's been amazing.
Oh my God, you're a Redken Ambassador. Your salon provides the Shades EQ Gloss Service. That sounds luxurious and like I need it now.
Yeah, Redken Shades EQ is amazing. It actually acts like a conditioner, but it provides you professional color. It's an amazing treatment. It works on all hair types. It's really special, and it's perfect for summer where we're starting to get that fadage in the colors. It's going to make it brighter and richer, which is amazing.
And you actually did this process on our model here.
We did.
Yes,
I mean, I had the summer wreaked havoc on my hair. I came in with really dull and, from the pool and the beaches.
Right.
But he totally revitalized my hair.
So how much color change?
Yes, so what's great about this, it's about customization. So we love the base, but it was a little brassy, a little bit sort of like just raw. So we made it a little shinier, richer, but we kept the highlights. So we actually customized it. We put two colors on. So you keep the pop in the highlight, and then we make the base color richer and more beautiful and vibrant.
And of course you love this.
I love this. And you know what? It doesn't have ammonia, which a lot of people, when they think of treatment, they think it's going to have ammonia, but this is fragrance-free.
Yeah, the smell, exactly. The smell is a big thing for people. And if you're going to an event, you don't want a color change, you can just do a clear glaze to give you the brightness. You can have a big color change, you can make it more rich and vibrant for the color that you like and keeping it natural, or just keep it clear and shinier. So it works on everything.
That's what I was going to ask. Do you have to do color? Can I just come in because I just want, it looks flat and I just want it to pop a little bit?
You could be like, I don't want any color change at all, we just want to make it rich and vibrant, which is perfect. Or the big color change.
Who is the best candidate?
What's great about this, it works on everybody. If you've got hair, it works. So all hair color, blonde, reds, brunettes, any hair texture, it's perfect. And like you said, it's a 20-minute service. And we know New York, we're in a hurry.
Right.
So it's amazing. 20 minutes, you can get it done. It's beautiful. It's going to last 4 to 6 weeks, which is important. And what's lovely, it's going to fade out, so you're not going to have any sort of big, sort of harsh lines. It's going to gradually fade out. And for me, the kicker is it's so conditioning, which is amazing.
Right.
And my hair, honestly, has never felt shinier and more vibrant.
Yeah, Yesi and I go way back. She's gorgeous to begin with, but I gotta say, your hair has never looked better.
Oh, thank you. I mean, it feels it, and everyone can get it. National Hair Gloss Day.
Get
your shine on.
This is fantastic. Rodney, what is the process that you think makes it so revolutionary?
I think it's the conditioning. When we think of color, like we are now, Redken's done a fantastic job with the science of creating conditioning, and it's vibrant color. It's a professional service, over 100 shades, and it, like I said, it works for everybody, and it's done in 20 minutes. So that's the real kicker, is that it's so conditioning, and you're getting these beautiful, rich, vibrant colors if you choose.
I love it. Sign me up. Where do I go?
Let's go. Soho.
I love it.
Salon.
Yes. Love the glossy hair. Love your knowledge. Appreciate both of you so much for being here today. Run, don't walk. I'm serious about that. And don't forget, get your shine on. Scan that QR code on the screen and head to redken.com to learn more about Shades EQ and find a salon near you with Redken's Salon Finder feature.